Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a really very inspiring story of one of our student, MRINALINI Singh. So basically, MRINALINI Singh have done her MA in Environmental Studies from Delhi University. And then she was preparing very hard with our live online program to qualify a NET-JRF. Because she was a student of MA, being from art background, she was specially treated from our faculty, and we have given utmost attention in preparing her very hard for the exam. So she qualified a NET-LS with a very good score for environmental sciences, and subsequently she appeared for the entrance and the interview at Department of Environmental Studies, Delhi University North Campus, and she secured a final PhD position at Department of Environmental Studies, Delhi University. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate MRINALINI Singh, because this is a late post. We got the information later on. But imagine a MA Environmental Studies student can also go through the exam easily if they prepared on the mark. So on this achievement, we would like to congratulate MRINALINI Singh for the future research and academic journey. I would also like to congratulate the entire faculty who worked hard, the interview team who worked hard day and night for the student. At present, our team is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences for June 2023, offline program at Delhi Center, live online program, correspondence with video. Then along with that, GATE Environmental Science, Engineering and Ecology Evolution is another option which people can look forward. M.SC entrances of environmental sciences, life sciences, biotechnology are also being guided by the faculty. The interview preparation for the PhD and master's program at the university in Europe and USA is also available by the expert faculty. So those who are interested, they can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate MRINALINI Singh for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.